Hey everybody, Stampin Creates here. I'm here to share an unboxing. Very excited. I know lighting is bad. Let me fix it. My paper pumpkin came today. This is, well, let me take the plastic off so that, I probably should have done this beforehand. Hold on a sec. Take this off. Anyhow, came home from work today. Today is what? Today is the 18th of March. Kind of disappointed because I saw so many other people had gotten their boxes and I had not. So it came today. So I'm going to show you boxes here. I get a box for my daughter as well. So here it is. Look at this cute box. This is paper pumpkin. It's called No Matter the Weather. It's the March 2020 paper pumpkin. It comes in this really cute box, and I can foresee myself doing something really fun with this box. Paper Pumpkin is a monthly subscription box if you're not familiar with it. I am an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And this is a part of our monthly subscription box, which is great because it comes to your door, everything's included. Now this box is extra special and you may be wondering why. Well, let me tell you. We are celebrating 7 years this month of Paper Pumpkin. So this is a special edition box because not only do you get one stamp set, you get 2. So we are celebrating 7 years of Paper Pumpkin. So for that, Stampin' Up! Wanted to do something really special. So here it is. So inside you usually get 1, possibly 2, who knows, never know, Stampin' Spots, which this is basically a small ink pad. These are our standard ink pads, so you can see the difference. This is about a 1 by 1 inch ink pad, and it's same colors. If you like this color, you can always invest in the larger ink pad, and all of this, including Paper Pumpkin, can be ordered through my online store at www.stampinsucreates.stampinup.net. So this is the basic gray Stampin' Spot. These are great for traveling, and they're great for giving a try to see if you like the color. Now basic gray, that's like your basic black dress. Everybody's got to have one, right? So here we are. Wow, look at the size of this stamp set. And looking for something. There we go. Oh my goodness, I think this is the free one. Look how huge it is. Oh my goodness, rain boots. Like, look at how they coordinated the box with the stamp set. Oh my goodness, I believe in you, the saying. Cute little bunny, little pot of flowers, a front door, some, looks like, well, they're not daffodils, maybe lavender, spring flowers, and then look at this. This is, you can decorate your little boots. So you can have them plain or decorate them to be flowery. How fun is that? And then this is little flowers. I would assume they're like little flowers. Maybe you could stamp over the top of those. But look at how huge this is. This is like bigger than my hand. Oh my gosh, Stampin' Up! You did it big time. 7 years of Paper Pumpkin, and what a surprise. So now here is the standard stamp set that normally comes in your box. So we have Let Love Grow, No Matter the Weather, we're in this together, and how appropriate is that right now? I think I'm going to make a card and send it to everyone that placed an order with me this month and use that saying in there. Wishing you brighter days ahead. You are capable of amazing things, and really everyone out there is. And looks like we have some clouds, flowers. This looks like little splotches, little dashes. I mean, you can use the 2 of these stamp sets. They work so well together. So, really great. Love them. They're photopolymer, so they're not those cheap acrylic ones. They're photopolymer. So let's see what this flyer is that I'm using. Add some spring to your crafts with your free stamp set. Combine your new Spring Splash stamp set with the items inside your March kit and other Stampin' Up! Products and make a splash with your one-of-a-kind projects. It says contact your demonstrator for more products and inspiration or visit StampinUp.com. Paper Pumpkin also has a Facebook page. They are on Pinterest. You can find them on Instagram. You can find them everywhere. So anyhow, Keeps popping open. I'm going to tuck it under there. So this is like a gift that comes, because look, it's like a little unwrapping. So you unwrap your little gift. Now this is a surprise every month. You never know what you're getting, which is probably like most subscription boxes, I would assume. I get another one, a quilty one from Creative Notions Quilt Shop, and oh my gosh, that's the same thing. It's such a surprise every month. So this one is $22 only, and you look at all the fun things you get. And they redesigned the box, redesigned the packaging, even with a plastic cover on it, so your box stays very, very nice. And look at the back even. I mean, the whole box is so decorative. So let's see what we got. No Matter the Weather, March 2020. Contains supplies for, oh my goodness, 12 cards and 12 envelopes. And there are the suggested projects to make. So look at this. It's like packed, filled with lots of goodies. So these are my bad paper snips. I mean, I have good paper snips and bad paper snips, and these are the bad ones. I was kind of doing something, well, you don't want to know, but they're kind of bent. Something I was doing with them that you probably should never do. So anyhow, and I have this frog in my throat. I swear, every time I come on to do a video or to do a Facebook Live, which, by the way, you can find me on Facebook at Stampin' Sue Creates, along with my blog. And I do a Facebook Live every Thursday night. So there's going to be one tomorrow night, and my people don't know this yet, but it's going to be an hour later than normal. I normally do it 7 p.m. Eastern Time, but I signed up to be on a panel with Stampin' Up! And I thought it was tonight, Wednesday night, got myself all ready. It was on a Zoom conference call, and then I went on, and I'm like the only one there, and I happened to go back and look, and boop, it's tomorrow, the 19th, not the 18th, Susan, really. So anyhow, here we are, step-by-step directions. If you don't like to read, here you go. They also provide a video, which was published today, but I did not look at it. Because, and I keep yawning, I'm sorry, I want to be surprised. So here's the back. It tells you what your kit includes. Here's some alternative projects, and Stampin' Up! Always does, and you probably, no, that's too bright. Stampin' Up! Always does a Facebook Live where they show you alternative projects that other demonstrators have created. So these are suggested projects. You can do whatever it is you want. So here are all the different, and I know it's a little dark. There we go. Different social medias that you can find Paper Pumpkin. You could go back in, do a search, and see lots of fun projects from the past. Once you're a member, you can go ahead in on my website, check out the past kits that are still available. Some are whole kits, some are just the refills, which if you already have this, you wouldn't want a whole other kit. Unless you do, that's fine. But you can get just the refill, so it would just be this packet. It wouldn't be the ink pad, and it wouldn't be the stamps. So it's really inexpensive that way. So here we have some twine. And I love that they put it on these little round things, so it's not wrapped around cardboard and it has all those, you know, kinks in it. We have some glue dots, and then look at these. Oh, I know it's hard to see. Oh, that's not good. Maybe you can see. There we go. Little raindrops. How cute. Cute are they? Oh, really. So, oh, we have a full sheet of Stampin' Dimensionals, and these are our actual Stampin' Dimensionals. In the past, they had generic ones, which really were not that great. So I'm happy to see that they're actually ours. So here we are. Oh, and I keep yawning. I'm trying not to yawn in your face. Here we are with envelopes, and look at they're printed, so you know you don't have to worry about added weight with them. Look how cute that is. And let's see what this one is. Oh, there we go. So look at how cute those printed envelopes are. So that's fun. And oh my goodness. Oh, what is this? Oh, okay, some little tags and some little punch outs. No adhesive on the back, so you can do whatever it is you want with them. We have a whole sheet of those. And then the rest. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so these are the cards. So look at how cute that is. I mean, I'm telling you. The inside is just white, and they're pre-scored for you. so you don't even have to do that. See that? Pre-scored. Boom, bada bing. A little bit of stamping, you're done. Here's another one that kind of looks like the sky. Ooh, and look at that one. This has the grass and like the clouds in the background. Look how pretty that is. And then look at these. Oh my goodness, are these stickers? Stickers? No, they're not stickers, so you can do whatever you want with them. But look at how pretty they are. They punch out. Look at it. It's a whole bunch of these boots. Oh my goodness. And then all these little things in between. You just pick them out. But look at that. Where's the cards? Look at that to put on. Well, maybe not on that one. But, you know, on there, I mean, look at how cute. Oh my goodness. This is going to be so much fun to play with. And then look at these. These are a big pair of boots. Look at those. Oh my goodness. Let me bring it down so it's a little bit more light here for you. And another pair of rain boots. And somebody had posted online that I didn't see all these little punch outs, but they said that QVC had on there the rain boots. They were selling the rain boots, I guess, for decoration. And little hearts. And look at the pretty flowers. And look at the little bunny. They punch out so nicely. You can just add your little glue dots to the back. And look at how cute he is. Like he's like sitting here in the grass. Oh my goodness, so cute. Yeah, I can't wait to start playing with this. Look at how cute they are. Oh my goodness, Stampin' Up, I mean really. You could put this little bunny here. There's just so much you can do with it. I'm not sure where the little boots come into play. Let me see the samples. Oh, okay, they put them there. Oh, I see what they did. Okay, hold on. They put this right over there. So if you raise that up on Dimensionals, look how cute that would be. Right over the top of that. Super cute. You could cut them apart. Oh, the possibilities are endless. So anyhow, that is the paper pumpkin. It is the March 2020 paper pumpkin. My fun unboxing for you this month. I'm so looking forward to getting some time to sit and play with this. I hope maybe sometime very soon, maybe Friday evening. And be sure to come on over to my Facebook page and join us for the Facebook Lives. But tomorrow night on, tomorrow is March 19th, I will be on Facebook Live at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. So be sure to come on over and join me. I have a fun upcoming event day on my Facebook page with multiple Facebook Lives. It's going to be on Saturday the 28th. So you'll want to head over to my Facebook page within the next few days. I'm going to be doing an online bingo, and I'm going to have demonstrations, and it's just going to be a fun day, in and out all day long, just celebrating life and celebrating all of you. And I just want to thank you all for those of you that have placed orders with me the past week, the past month, the past years. I've been a demo. It'll be 20 years this year. And it just doesn't get old. It gets more fun every day. Be sure to check it out on my website. There's a fun sign-up bonus, but time is running out. We only have another week for you to get over I want to say about $250 worth of product for just $99. It's a great deal. So thanks for joining me. I hope you have a super day, and I'll see you back here again real soon. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification bell. Then you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you so much. Bye for now.